Hi, I hope this message finds you well. Listen, the reason I'm reaching out today is I have been getting several calls, emails, texts from past clients, all wanting to find out like how they can tap into their equity, whether that be for home improvements, debt consolidation, in some cases even using some of the equity to make a down payment on another property, maybe an investment property, something along those lines. And so just wanted to reach out and let you know, there are definitely a couple different ways. One, obviously, we can do a cash out refinance. And I know you're probably a little concerned. Well, I've got a really low interest rate. I don't want to do a cash out. But the reality is, if you're using it for debt consolidation, it may not be the worst thing in the world because what we can do is we can sit down and we can figure out what interest you're paying on all of the debts that you're going to consolidate, and then do kind of what is referred to as a blended rate to see what you're actually paying out in the way of an interest rate every month. And you may be surprised it's, far greater than that 3% you think you're paying. Additionally, you can use just a home equity loan where what we do is give you a fixed rate, fixed term, and lend the money to you that way. We also have access to some home equity lines of credit if that's more what you're thinking of. In any case, just reach out, give us a call, shoot us a text, email, and let's sit down and just kind of figure out what you're trying to achieve and what would be the best option for you. All right, listen, I hope this finds you well. We'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.